In this clip, we are going to share with you a few examples of ways of using the list stories produced during our project. If you go on our homepage, you will find an icon on the right, Digital Storytelling Clips on Integration. If you click there, you'll go on our YouTube channel. There, you'll find a collection of stories divided by theme, but also, if those stories have been published and created by a particular partner, they are also listed with the name of the partner. If you click on Loughborough University, you'll see a selection of stories, mainly around social inclusion. For this particular exercise, we want you to select GARBA. Now you have a couple of options. One is to share this video with your students. The other option, that is the one that we want to suggest to you this time, is to try and see how other educators used this specific story in their classroom. And to do that, I'm sharing with you something that was built in a different website called Smithsonian Learning Lab. Once you are on the Smithsonian Learning Lab homepage, you can type in digital storytelling, and then you'll find a good number of lesson plans already created by other educators. Let's select this one that is around exploring the meaning of social inclusion through digital storytelling. As you can see, there are a good number of museum resources that this educator wanted to use to trigger conversation around social inclusion. There is a specific icebreaker activity that we invite you to have a look at and try with your students. So the idea here is to ask your students to select one of those images and say something that relates to their personal lives. Connecting personally to social inclusion is the ideal exercise to allow your students to actually empathize with GARBA's stories. Now it's the moment for them to watch the story produced during this project. After they've watched GARBA's story, what we would suggest is to run a storyboarding exercise and to sketch a story in which your students try to be part of GARBA's life and make a difference in his life. So by using a storyboard, they could draw and draft notes and then share with the rest of the group how they would change his life, how they would include GARBA in a different way and find a different solution to the one that has been narrated in this story.